Hey, Drop Tech fans! Welcome back to the channel. Samsung has now officially started rolling out the stable One UI 7.0 update, which is based on Android 15, for the Galaxy S24 series. So, if you're using a Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, or S24 Ultra, the wait is finally over. You can now upgrade to the newest version of the software and enjoy a refreshed experience full of new features and intelligent improvements. The update rollout first began with users who were already part of the beta testing program, with the initial release happening in South Korea. Right now, it's only available there, but don't worry, this is just the beginning. Samsung plans to release the update in more regions over the coming days. For those of you in the United States, the stable One UI 7.0 update is expected to land by April 10th. In Canada, users might see it roll out around April 11th, and for Malaysia, it's likely to become available on or around April 14th. So if you haven't gotten the update yet, just hang in there, it's almost here. This update info was shared on X by Tarun Vats, and he also revealed the build version of this release. And it's not only the Galaxy S24 series getting the update. Samsung has also started pushing the stable One UI 7.0 update for Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Z Fold 6 users who were part of the beta program in South Korea. Upgrading to the official One UI 7 is really easy. All you need to do is head over to your settings, tap on Software Update, and your phone will check Samsung's servers for the new version. If it's available, just hit download and install. Since you're moving from One UI 6.1 or the One UI 7.0 beta to the full stable release, it's a good idea to create a backup before installing. Samsung updates are generally reliable, but it's always a smart move to back up your data before doing a major upgrade, just to be safe. So, have you received the update yet? Or are you still waiting for it to show up on your phone? Let me know in the comments below. If you haven't gotten the update yet, keep tapping that update button. Your turn could be just around the corner. Regions like India, Europe, the United States, Middle East, and South Asia are expected to be next in line. So don't worry, your device is likely up next. But it's not all smooth sailing. In another tweet, Tarun also pointed out a few concerns. Yes, the One UI 7 rollout has technically begun, but it hasn't reached everyone. Global users are still waiting, while Korean users got it first on April 7th. That's led to a bit of frustration. People using the S24 are already enjoying the new UI, while some S25 users are still stuck on the old software. Yup, it's a bit of an odd situation. As for the Galaxy A, M, and F series, it looks like your turn is coming around June. So hang tight, your time is coming. But here's some good news, especially for folks in India. Tarun just confirmed that the One UI 7 beta program is now officially available for the Galaxy A55 in India. So if you own a Galaxy A55, you can go ahead and download the beta version and start testing it out yourself. Pretty cool, right? Here's a full breakdown of the update schedule by month and device. Based on the Korean release plan, other regions will likely follow something similar. April, Galaxy S24 series. Galaxy Z Fold 6, Flip 6 and Fold Special Edition. Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Flip 5. Galaxy Tab S10 Plus and S10 Ultra. Galaxy S23 series. Galaxy S24 Fan Edition. May. Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Flip 4. Galaxy Tab S9 series. Galaxy S23 Fan Edition. Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Flip 3. Galaxy A34 and A35. Galaxy S22 series. Galaxy Tab S8 series. Galaxy S21 series. Galaxy S16. Galaxy Quantum 4 and Quantum 5. June. Galaxy Tab S9 Fan Edition and S9 FE Plus. Galaxy S53, S33. Galaxy A25, A24, A15. Galaxy Quantum 3, Jump 2, Jump 3, Buddy 3. Galaxy Tab A9, A9 Plus. Tab Active 5, Tab Active 4 Pro. Galaxy Wide 7. Again, this rollout schedule is based on what's happening in South Korea, but other regions will likely mirror this pretty closely. So, have you received the One UI 7 update yet? Or are you still waiting for it to drop on your device? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear what region you're from and which device you're using. As always, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like, and if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update.